The a6100 wasn't the only camera that Sony announced this week. They also unveiled the a6100, the successor to the a6000. How do I know this? Because I wrote about it. Like the a6600, the a6100 is part of Sony's APS-C camera lineup. But what you get with it is a smaller body that's still capable of utilizing the E-mount lenses. So what exactly does the a6100 offer? Quite a bit, as it turns out. Like the a6600, the a6100 also offers a 24.2 megapixel sensor, 11 frames per second continuous shooting, 425 phase detection points, which means it'll cover up most of the screen when looking for autofocus points, real-time eye tracking on animals and humans for both photos and videos, 4K video recording, a microphone jack, and a 180-degree tiltable touchscreen display, which means it's the perfect camera again for vlogging. So what's the difference between the a6600 and the a6100? Well, for one thing, this camera only offers 4K recording as opposed to 4K HDR, and it also lacks the headphone jack. But again, keep in mind, you still do get the microphone jack. This means if you have any kind of attachable mic that you'd like to attach to it for better audio, you can still do that. Unlike the a6600, which is priced at $1,400 just for the body, the a6100 is priced at $850 for a 16 to 55mm lens, $1,100 for 55 to 210mm lens, and for those who already have E-mount lenses at home, $750 for the body. So while I know I said the a6600 is the perfect camera for vlogging, for those who don't need fancy things like image stabilization, 4K HDR, and a headphone jack, the a6100 might actually be a much better buy, seeing how it's priced well below the a6600. If you guys have any questions about the a6100, make sure to drop them in the comment section below, and while you're over there, make sure that you click on the bell button and then the subscribe button. See what I did there? Usually I say subscribe and then bell, but this time I switched it around. And if you're on Instagram and or Facebook, you can't do that, but what you can do is you can share the video. That would be awesome, almost as awesome as this shirt, that you can now buy for $49.99. I also made that up, I'm sorry. You really can't buy this shirt.